to the Mahakriti application, a new advanced system that enables stakeholders to log in and take necessary actions. This video will help you to log in as an existing user or register as a new user. If you are an existing user of 1.0 system, your profile has been migrated successfully. You can use your existing username to create the new system password. Existing users can set a new password as per their choice, following the guidelines mentioned. After submitting the password, you need to confirm the credentials by verifying the OTP. Now the user can use the new credentials to log into the Mahakriti system. If you want to register as a new user, click on Register New User tab on the login page. This will open a registration form where you need to enter your details. From the drop-down menu labeled User Type, select Promoter if you are a promoter. Select Real Estate Agent if you want to register as an agent, else select Allottee or Others if you are a complainant or respondent. Provide your details as name, mobile number and email ID. Mobile number and email ID will be used for OTP verification. Choose a unique username with which you will log in to your profile and create a strong password that you will use to secure your account. Next, enter the characters shown in the CAPTCHA box to verify your identity. After filling out all the required fields, click the Register button to submit your information. You will receive OTPs on the mobile number and email ID you provided. Enter these OTPs into the respective fields on the verification page and click Verify to complete the verification process. Once the verification is successful, you will be redirected to the login page again. Enter your username and password to log in and access your profile. This completes your basic registration to the Mahakriti system. Let's assume you have registered as a promoter. Once you log in for the first time with the credentials, you would need to submit certain profile-specific information and upload relevant documents. For promoter profile, first you would need to select the type of promoter, and depending upon the type selected, the further information to be submitted would vary a bit. Once you submit all the information relevant to the profile type, your profile updation would get completed and you would get all the privileges of the respective user to continue using the system for your further journey into the Mahakriti system. If you need further assistance, then please call Help Desk or go through the user manual.